Good evening, everybody. Mayor Joaquin with FDAHunter.com. A little late here on a Saturday night, but still hunting, still going over some stocks, still checking things out. Excited for this coming week. I wanted to go over a quick stock, WHLM, which was a solid winner on the 14th. So a few days ago. I'm just a little behind here on my videos, but catching up. It's been a crazy, crazy week. We're defending. We're going through a lot of red days in the market, but that is part of being a day trader, part of being full-time day trading, or even making money consistently in the market, is that if you're taking shots and it's tough out there, protect yourself with the risk level. Risk very, very little. Why? Because bigger plays will come around where you will make much more percentages, even if you're making 10% on average per trade, but you're losing 1% here, couple cents there, 3% there. You will win consistently. That is how people are doing it full time for many years that don't talk about it. So I'm going to go ahead and go over a pick that we picked out, WHLM, extremely, extremely low float, just like CARV, extremely low float, doubled up the same day from the 18s to 40s. The one, WHLM, went literally from the 5s to almost $10, and we notified it at $6.15. So I'm about to go over this and go over how it's just like taking candy from a baby. How do you guys like that little intro? Huh? I feel so cool here. I'm just new here on YouTube. Haven't been here for so long yet. Just doing this for fun right now and getting acquainted with how things are working. But I'm very excited because our subscription service, we do offer the daily picks while we're waiting for FDA approval stocks that have been working out for many, many years. So you can go to our website, www.fdahunter.com. Month-to-month subscription. We're not here trying to lock people in for a year. We know once you get in with this, you're going to start making some money. You'll be happy, and it's on you to continue with us, okay? But so far, I'll go ahead and show you guys how we send this to our subscribers in the group chat, and not subscribers for YouTube. We're talking about our website, www.fdahunter.com. Put in a promo code FDA for $50 off. And again, it's month to month. You can cancel at any time because we're not here to lock anybody in. We're not here to convince you. We're just here to show you that this stuff has been happening, and we're doing a video, as often as possible to show you how things are done. Okay, so quickly, let's go ahead and show you WHLM. We sent it out here. Ridiculous low float of 140,000 shares, guys. 140,000 shares. Hey, Cigar, welcome. Hello. So, I'm just going over how we played WHLM. We mentioned it. Ridiculous low float, 143,000 shares, 615 or lower. 6.0 is a risk. Guys, nobody gives you guys a risk. Nobody gives you a suggested risk level to where you can potentially protect yourself with some support. Nobody does that. So here we're analyzing. We're looking at stocks. We're trying to get your back here so that you can – we're trying to have your back so that you do not lose money. We're trying to give suggestions on support levels through technical analysis, through key levels. We do a lot of research, and we want to give you guys the best shot at making money on here. But if the stocks don't play out, we have a risk level to protect ourselves. It's very important, at least for me, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I am here to educate and to entertain and to help people, give them suggestions on how I would play as a full-time day trader. And go ahead and link in on Monday morning, pre-market till about 10 a.m. I will be live trading right here, okay? So we gave this out, WHLM, ridiculous low of 143,000. My gosh, that is like when you have some crazy demand and very little supply, like anything, it will push it. Now, lately, we have been seeing a lot of low floats in the 3-4 million range, share range, that have not been pushing so well. Okay, so you got to look out for a few things. But what I've noticed so far since I've been doing this is certain stocks that are like, from what I've seen, okay, I have yet to see a stock with 1 million shares or low go almost 100%, if not over 100% the same day. And I'll give you guys 3 quick examples that I personally seen. I've never seen anything else. If you've seen something, send it to me, okay, so I can take a look at it. WHLM, right here, 6.05 risk. Okay, we're moving up the risk over here. So what happened with this? Okay, 7:10 a.m., which is my time, Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern time. What happened? What happened? We notified it right here at the $6.15. This baby went to $9.34, hung around the almost $8 range in the 870s for about 10 minutes. And then for a good solid 2 minutes, two minutes, it went to over $9. So you had a chance to get out for a 50% hit. I mean, again, is this going to happen every day? I highly doubt it. But does it happen? Hell yeah. Cigar, who is right here, one of our subscribers, hello Cigar again, he made over 46% in one day alone. I think his first day or second day on our subscription. Now, let me ask you guys a question. Mutual funds, hedge funds, are they going to give you 46% in 1 year? I don't think so. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's like a super hedge fund out there that's going to do that for you and give you 50% return every year. But look at this. This came out in 1 day. So as a pro day trader, it is, amazing. These plays do come pretty often for different kinds of things, but you just got to be patient. You got to protect yourself because you will get these hits. Now, we're not here trying to hit 50%. We're trying to get a quick 10, 15% of this. But will you sometimes come out of a trade with 20, 30%, 40%? Of course, maybe fall asleep like Cigar did, right? He fell asleep, CARV, I believe, and still made 40%. So if that happens even one time a year, you're beating hedge funds and mutual funds by about, 3 to 4 years? Or why don't you go ahead and put your money in the markets at a 10% return a year? I mean, that is just not going to make you money. We're here to it'll make you money maybe in the long term, but we're here to make money today. We're here to grow our portfolio today. We're here to pay bills. I got a debit card right here, guys, with E-Trade. Right here. And I am traveling, and I will be definitely using this E-Trade card because I'm making money while trading, okay? Yeah, exactly. So WHLM, now I'll go overhead another stock that we spoke about, CARV. Now, CARV under 1 million shares, 980,000 shares. We mentioned this also, okay? You can look at the previous videos, guys. We mentioned it at $18. It went to $42 in 1 day. Started the day with $10. I mean, that is just amazing. Under 1 million shares, CARV. This happened a few days ago. About a week or so ago, we mentioned that right here too, guys. Next one I'll go over with you that I've seen was NAKD. I'm sure maybe a lot of you guys know about NAKD. I don't know how long ago this was. This was less than a year ago. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this sucker. NAKD, January 27th. Look at this. It went from 34 cents. 34 cents to $3. $3, man. That's like you will never get that on a mutual fund or hedge fund, at least in my opinion. I mean, you can put in whatever portfolio you want. You can wait till you're 80 years old. Maybe then you'll get a golden cane and you can, hang around and say, look, I bought this stock and it went 10 times my money. No, we're not here to do that. We're here to take shots at potential plays just like this when we see them. So yeah, NAKD, man, that's almost 10 times your money, guys, on a low float. This stock had 500,000 shares, and you're talking about a 30-cent stock. That is amazing, guys. So the cheaper it is, the smaller it is, the higher chance it has to double, triple, and who knows, even more because it's a very small stock. When you have a stock that's very little, look at GMER. GMER, yeah. That stock, I gave it about a week or so ago. That had an amazing catalyst for I believe, for an uplist, but that is under $1. That stock went from the 30 to 75 cents. So when you have a cheap company, a small stock with an amazing catalyst, or I guess with low float, that is literally like taking candy from a baby. And if my little niece was right here, I would just show you guys how easy it is to take some candy from her mouth, because this is exactly how it is. So far, I can tell you it's confirming. These plays are definitely winning. Now, when you're looking at a stock like, WHLM, I mean, yes, you would have gotten a nice 50% room from when we mentioned it, but it's a $6 stock. Don't expect so much. CARV, again, $10 to $18 stock that day. You can't expect that to go 10 times your money, guys. Come on. I mean, that would be nice. But a stock like NAKD, I mean, I saw that baby run. And you know what's funny is I didn't even play it. I'm like, is this real? I mean, I couldn't even believe it. And I was scared. The more it was going up and up and up, I was scared to chase, But it kept going up. It went first day all the way to $1.50. Then the second day went to 3.30s. My gosh. So again, quickly, guys, that is the power of low float stocks. Low float stocks are amazing, and you definitely want to register, because let me ask you a question, guys. A couple $100 a month, what do we spend that on? Literally. Cigar. My boy Cigar made $600 the other day. I mean, it doesn't include the other days. That doesn't include MRIN that he made over 10 grand on. So what is it worth it to you guys to potentially get a phone call for the next FDA call alert? And at the same time, you're getting free bonus picks that are potential winners. And we're not just promising the world to you. We're not telling you in 2023 AMC is going to 1,500. We're not doing that. When there is a potential play, we will give out a risk level, just like I showed you guys in the video. Look earlier if you don't believe me. But we are giving you guys a risk level to potentially protect yourself, because we will get plays like this. These plays will come in. They come in often as it is, even if it's once a year. Once a year, you double up, or you go 50%, or even 30%. In 1 year, you just beat the mutual funds, baby. So that is what I love about this. Oh, my God. Oh, Cigar, you made $18,000 on MRIN. Sorry. After he saw my video, yep. Cigar saw my video, he made $18,000. So guys, couple $100. It's a month-to-month plan. I'm not here to lock anybody in, because I don't need to. We don't need to. We're not like all these subscribers out there just promising you the world, promising you some BS little course or whatever. I know people don't have time for a course. We need to make money now. We got to get those picks in and know how to play it. So once you guys register at www.fdahunter.com, go ahead and put the code FDA to get $50 off. You're going to get also Getting Started Quick Work Guide, which will explain the main terms. What is a limit order? What is a sell order? Just the basics, so that even a bartender can do this. Even a stripper can do this. Even a busy business owner who doesn't know anything can get in on this. And so I made a worksheet which just goes over the key terms, so you can easily understand how to go in and out and buy and sell these stocks. Okay, very, very simple stuff. Murray, what do I think for Monday, brother? I honestly do not know. I don't have much of a crystal ball, but I can tell you that I will definitely be looking at a lot of runners that have been running this week. I will be looking at a few different stocks, such as a fake out that we had, but we still made some money on it, or some of us broke even on a few stocks. But I am going to put those on my radar, like AEHL right here, you see. WHLM, probably not. But again, there's new plays all the time. We're always looking for new plays, my man. We're looking for stocks that are volatile, stocks that are in play, stocks that maybe have news. So again, every day things are different, things are new. But yes, we do look at prior runners. We look at other stocks and see if they have like a new breakout coming, if they're about to come in, through a 1 year high or something. So there's a lot going on. I really wouldn't know exactly what's going on Monday. I think maybe we'll have a green day because we've had a couple red days. So VRB and AHR. Yeah, AEHR, man, very disappointing stock. We tried to play it also after hours a couple days ago. It just didn't break out. We literally broke even on it. We're not going to wait around for that. Then the next day, Friday yesterday, I mean, it took that crazy dip. I mean, you see, I remember it by heart because we played that. And also we didn't play it because, later on in the day, because, I mean, it just sliced a lot of people down. So after hours, it did run up. I personally would stay away from it unless it comes around the 60s again, 70s, and breaks out the day high for Friday. So yeah, we will be looking at AEHR, and just to confirm that I'm talking about the right stock, because look, right here. Okay, so 360s was the 1 year high. This thing could not break it, man. It was just very weak. It went to 381. So I'm going to look again. If it comes back to the 360 range, also around the, to be exact, 360. Yeah, 360. See, I remember that. So 360 range. If it goes anywhere near 360, 370, maybe we'll take a shot. If it is a green day, definitely take a shot. So again, you got to understand, Murray, that we do mention when the stock markets overall is red, you want to play conservative in general, in my opinion. That's what we've learned from tons of successful people. You want to play more conservative. You want to play tight. And you'll see a lot of fake outs. So we tried taking a bunch of shots. But we ended up hitting RCAT, I believe, or RCAR after hours. But you know what, man? I'll just show you guys quickly. RCAR, look what happened to RCAR. RCAR after hours. Look at this scary stuff, guys. Let me just show you guys before I leave you guys with this. RCAR, extended hours. This is why we do not like to hold things for overnight. It's very risky. Now, I don't know what the hell is going on here. Anyways, RCAR, if you guys look at that, the one that I mentioned, that one literally they did an offering and they sliced the price down like 50%. So overnight you can get an offering and your stock can just slice and dice really, really quickly. So we don't like to really hold positions overnight unless we're doing tests, but most likely we don't want to do that, okay? So AHR, that's what I would look for. Market manipulation for sure, man. There is a ton of manipulation. That's why we're here to look for predictable patterns, predictable plays. We take a shot. If we're wrong, we get the hell out quickly, okay? But we'll see on Monday. We'll let you know how Monday goes, okay? VRB, I wouldn't know much about it except for I think it was around $3 range. Yeah, there it is, $3 range, VRB. I remember that too. We tried playing the breakout on that. Made like 10 cents on that, like 2-3%. It was a not a good play, but we still broke even on that. So I remember that. I see $3. Man, we are in these stocks all day long. We're checking, we're analyzing, we're getting familiar with these plays. And that is the most important part also, I think, that I've learned is that you want to do your research. You want to do your due diligence and study these stocks. I like to break down stocks. I like to study them as often as possible. And, that's what you're getting. You're getting someone out there that is there to help you, to coach you in a way to where I'm letting my thoughts, how I am when I'm in a play, how I would play when I'm in a play as a full-time day trader. So you're getting a lot of that, but you're getting the risk level. So very, very important to protect yourself. Okay, guys? So I do got to keep this very short. Murray, get on board. Go to FD800.com. Get a subscription over here. Get going, and we can talk on the phone, man. You can reach me on my cell phone. We can talk as much as you want. And again, you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you very much for tuning in, okay? Have a beautiful evening.